Gardens and check out what we're up to. So we built this beautiful water feature over here a couple of months ago, and we did a bunch of plantings out here. We've got all these different planting islands all through here, and this is all great. We put down a bunch of decomposed granite, and then the rain came. So we got a little bit of repair work that we're going to do with that, but the focus of this video is this patio that we're putting in. Come on over here, I'll show you what's going on. So this is a sandstone, and it's obviously nice and thick. You can kind of see from my fingers, it's about, what, 2 fingers thick, so a good solid amount of thickness there. The idea behind this is that it won't flex and it won't crack. So in between this, we're going to put the DG, we're going to put a sealing agent with the DG back inside the cracks, and this whole thing is going to be a beautiful patio when we're done. The center of this, you can kind of make it out for yourself. We're going to do a natural wood burning fire pit. So this natural wood burning fire pit is going to have boulders about this high over here, and then the leftover broken pieces of flagstone is going to go in between those boulders. So you have a boulder here stacking flagstone, another boulder stacking flagstone. Guys, this is a really simple job that if you're a strong person, a do-it-yourselfer with a little bit of guidance on YouTube or whatnot, you can absolutely do this yourself. This homeowner is going to be featured on Greg Whitstock, the Pond Guys YouTube channel here. He's actually coming out to Southern California on February 11th to film, and then Columbia Water Gardens is going to be featured sometime in March on his channel, and this project in its completion is going to be featured on his channel. So if you haven't liked and subscribed yet to Greg Whitstock, the Pond Guy on YouTube, look him up, hit the subscribe and hit the little alert button, and at the same time do the same thing for my channel too. I'm Carl with Columbia Water Gardens, reminding you that natural wood burning fire pits and flagstone patios matter. Happy ponding.